What's up, y'all? Y'all be talking about I don't do enough voiceovers over my food, so here you go. This is my recipe to my famous mac and cheese everybody loves so much.
Yes.
Alright, so as you can see, I had already digged in it a little bit. That thing get bomb, boy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do a little taste test before you serve it to people. But go ahead and peep this real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little slow-mo on a 1, 2. Woo-wee! Boy, look at that thing go, boy. Look at that string on that. Y'all don't want to play with me. Alright, at the end of the day, this is what I did. Get your cheese, right? Whatever kind of cheese you want, just don't let it be that pre-shredded shit. Shred that shit yourself. You can follow my recipe if you want. It'll be on YouTube. Probably gonna post the link on Twitter. That's your butter, that's your flour. You're gonna whisk that thing in with your half and half of your milk, you know what I'm saying? Got my little secret ingredient so your noodles don't stick. Look at them things fall into the bowl like that. You're gonna go ahead and put your cheese in the sauce, you know what I'm talking about. Season it up a little bit with a little paprika, salt, and pepper. You know what I'm talking about? Put that thing in a bowl with some more cheese. More cheese and more cheese. If it ain't looking like this and making this sound, yeah, that's what we talking about. You gonna go out there and sprinkle a little bit of that black truffle sea salt on that thing. Put half of the bowl in the pan with some more cheese. That's what I'm talking about. It need to be cheesy. If it ain't cheesy, we got a bride. I don't know what all these videos on TikTok been talking about lately, but yeah, we're gonna add some more cheese. Then you're gonna get your butter and your Italian breadcrumbs, melt that thing down like that. Sprinkle a little bit, brush a little bit on top. Gonna throw that thing in the oven. And on count of 3, baby, we done.
Oh yeah, glory.
Praise him. Yes, I paired mine with some salmon. I paired it with some roasted potatoes, some broccoli, and boom, my famous mac and cheese.
Grace. Hey. Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm about to go sit down and watch my movie. Peace.